Hi guys, if you want to know how to add unique browser games to your Wix website, you are in the right place. I'm gonna show you how to do it in Wix Studio using Canva AI code. Let's start. You can of course also choose a game from the app market in Wix Studio, but they often only offer a free trial or even cost some money. So what we are going to do is open Canva and use Canva AI code. It is unfortunately a paid service which comes with Canva Pro and many useful other features to unlock and discover. After opening Canva AI and selecting Canva code, we are just typing in what we want. I want to create a memory game with black background. Click on the small arrow or just press enter to start coding. Canva AI is now coding for you. Just wait and then you can use the code to embed into your Wix website. While Canva is coding for me, I'm gonna prepare my Wix website for the code. You can choose any page you want to embed the code. I'm gonna create a new page. Let's call it games. Then I'm also adding the page to my menu. Double click, manage menu, add item, main pages, check the box games and apply. Change the order as you want. And now we have the games page here. Choose a nice background. I'm going for black in this case. Let's check how far Canva AI is going with our code. As you can see here, the memory game is finished and it looks very nice for me. It is playable as you can see, and if you want to change something, you can just type in what you want to change into this text box here. Press enter and it will revise and code again for you. If you are happy with your game, just click on the button use in a design and choose, for example, presentation. Here on the edit and design pages, you can of course make some changes, and if you are happy, just click on the share button, click on see all, and then click on embed. Click on embed again, copy the HTML embed code and go back to your Wix website. Once we are here, we are just clicking on the plus button to add elements, embed and social, embed code, and just click it or drag it into your page. Resize it and find a nice position for your page. Select it and click on enter code. Here you can paste the code you copied before and click on update. Close the window and now you can see your game is here. You can adjust the size again if you want. You can stretch it or make it the whole page. Everything is up to you now. Click on preview to see how it looks like. If this tutorial was helpful for you, please also check my other videos. There are also a lot of videos like this. Thank you very much and see you next time.